Hello dear students, today I'll explain chapter number 18, Rain in the Hills. It's a poem which describes the beauty of hills during the rains. It's written by Rehana Ali. Have you ever traveled in the hills by bus when it was raining heavily? The poem describes a hill during heavy rain. Read on to find out if it matches your idea of what a hill looks like in rain. The rocky paths, the slender trees, the gentle drizzle, the heavenly breeze. As we all know that the path of the hilly area is rocky, it's full of stones, it's not even. And the slender trees, the thin patle ped, the slim trees, the gentle drizzle is very light rain, and the heavenly breeze means the breeze, the air which flows through the hills, we feel it heavenly, it's very soothing to us. So overall, if we see the rocky path, very slim trees, raining, it's drizzling. If it drizzles, very light rain, and the blowing air, everything, if we mix it together, the beauty of the hills becomes very like good in the rains. The ice cool water of a mountain spring, the scent of rain making crickets sing. The ice cool water of a mountain spring, spring is jharna. The scent of the rain making crickets sing. Crickets is a kind of insect, like when it rains, the crickets come out and they start making their noise, which seems to us like they are singing. The breathtaking view of the valley below, the heady pine fragrance wherever I go. Breathtaking means it's the thing which is very beautiful, which is very exciting, and you keep on looking to it. Of the valley below. नीचे देखें तो घाटी का नज़ारा, it's very beautiful. Heady is strong and very attractive because we have pine trees in the hilly areas. So wherever you go in the hills, you will feel that strong scent of pine everywhere. The fog that hides the view from my eyes, the snow-capped peaks, the golden sunrise. Now, in the hills during the rainy season, the weather is always foggy and it hides the view, but you can still see snow-capped peaks. Mountain key, the top of the mountain which is covered with snow, we can always feel it, we can always see it. And the golden sunrise. Why sunrise is golden? Because when sunrise touch the snow on the mountains, we feel it's golden. The snow, the color of the snow changes from white to golden, which looks very beautiful. The rolling thunder announcing a storm, birds huddled in nests to keep themselves warm. Now, the rolling thunder, when the thunder starts, when it starts lightning and other things, it announces a storm, that a storm is already going to come. And the birds, they go into their nests to keep themselves warm, and they just huddle in their nest. They go and hide in their nests. The thunderous might of a cascading fall, fed by the rain, enthralls one and all. Now, the thunderous might is takat of a cascading fall. Cascading means नीचे गिरते हुए झरने की ताकत is already too much. But when it is fed by the rain, when rain falls down and the water adds to the falls water, झरने के पानी में बारिश का पानी और मिल जाता है, it enthralls one and all. Enthralling means spellbound. Spellbound means when you keep on looking to a thing which is very attractive, it looks more, the falls look more attractive in the rains. High over the peaks, a lone eagle flies, its wings spread across the grey murky skies. High over the peaks of the mountains, you can see the birds flying, especially the eagles. Eagles fly over the rain, and the wings are spread across the grey and dark skies. So, again, it's very beautiful to see the eagle flying over the clouds and over the rain. The magnificent pines sway on a dark windy night that lights up in flashes of silvery white. The magnificent is big. The big pine trees, when there is a thunderstorm going on, they sway. Sway means झूलते हैं हवा में on a dark windy night that lights up in flashes of silvery white. And when the night is stormy, the night is thunderous, and the lightning is going on after every few minutes or every few seconds, the lightning which flashes up. थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में जब बिजली चमकती है and it falls on the trees and the snow, it becomes silvery white. The things become silvery white. The rain beats down on cliffs sheer and steep, the menacing slopes, the valley so deep. The rain beats down on cliffs sheer and steep. What is sheer and steep? It means khadi pahadiyan. The steep is very, you can say, sharp. And the rain falls on those steeps, and the menacing is very threatening, very scary, डरा देने वाली. The valley is so deep. So it's beautiful, but it's scary too. My bus trundles on its path serpentine. My eyes are glued to the gorge and ravine. So what the poet is saying, that in this weather in the hills, my bus trundles on. It moves very heavily, very slowly, because it cannot move fast on the slippery roads of the hills in rain. Its path is serpentine. The path of the hills is compared to a serpent, a snake, because it's not straight. It resembles the movement of a snake, zigzag movement of a snake. And the eyes are glued. Glued means I keep on looking to the gorges and ravines. Gorge is a deep valley through which a river runs, and ravine is a deep, narrow, steep sided valley formed by running water, kind of खाई जिसमें नदी बहती हो. So he keeps on looking out of the bus window to the gorges and ravines. Far away at a distance, village homes on a slope, their twinkling hearths fill me with hope. Far away at a distance, while sitting in the bus, now the poet is able to see some houses in which the hearth is burning. Hearth is the fireplace which is burning, and he can see twinkling fire, which gives him a hope. Hope means if he is feeling cold and he looks at the heat, he looks at the twinkling fire, it gives him a hope. It gives him warmth. The hills have a magic that never can wane. I pine to go back again and again. The hills, yes, the hills have a magic. If we visit once in the mountains, they are so beautiful. They are going to call us back again and again. I pine to go back. Here, pine means desire for something. इच्छा होती है बार बार जाने की again and again. The magic of the hills can never wane. It never fades away. It never dulls away. कभी जाता नहीं है, and you will always have a desire to go back in the beautiful hills again and again.